Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we'd greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch at JazzTime.com and not just watch the video and buy it from someone else, because that's why we're making this video and that's why I'm sitting here on a Saturday afternoon. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 31 reference 278-273 champagne diamond dial with gold fluted bezel and Jubilee bracelet. I'm going to take you through the case, the bezel, the dial, the bracelet, the movement, try it on, and give you my thoughts. So here we go. It's a 31mm oyster case. That means from my thumb to my index finger. It's the mid-size. There's also a smaller one at 28 and a larger one at 36 that women can wear. It's oyster steel and yellow gold. That means the case right here, what I'm pointing to, is made of steel. The bezel part, of course, is gold, 18 karat, and so is the center links. That's why Rolex calls it actually a yellow Rollosaur, which is a combination of oyster steel and 18 karat gold. It's their terminology for basically stainless steel and yellow gold. You can also just refer to it as two-tone or bimetal or yellow gold and steel. Any of those work. Now that's the case. Let's talk about the bezel. The bezel is an 18 karat fluted bezel. Now they also make this bezel, if you don't like it looking so shiny like this, they also make a domed bezel. I don't have an 18 karat gold dome bezel, but this is what a domed steel bezel looks like. And that's actually what the bezels look like. So this one has a beautiful 18 karat yellow gold fluted bezel, as you see here, and it's actually one of the hallmarks that Rolex has. So if you want a Datejust, this would actually be like the prototypical, beautiful, iconic Datejust that you might think of. And it also fits women exactly perfectly. Probably this is why the reason the customer who bought this one bought it. Okay. It also has a winding screw down twin double waterproofness system on the crown with a scratch resistant sapphire with a Cyclops lens over the date. Now I've seen these things scratch before. They don't scratch very easily, but they do scratch, but it's pretty scratch resistant nonetheless. It's waterproof to 100 meters, probably 100 more meters than any of us will ever go. I don't think most of us dive with a diamond watch, but if you wanted to, you certainly could. Now the movement, I forgot to mention, now on these, this reference number 278-273, the case is slightly different from the older, its predecessor, which is a 178-273. The lugs are a little bit skinnier. You see how the lugs come in? The lugs are where the case and the bracelet meet. It's a little bit skinnier. It has a skinnier profile, okay? So because this is the newer watch. It used to be a 178-273, now it's a 278-273. And so the case is a little bit different. What else is different? It also has a slightly different movement. Now you can't see the movement anyway, so I'm not sure that really matters, but it's a caliber 2236 right now, and it has a precision of ±2 seconds a day with a power reserve of 55 hours. It used to have a movement called I believe it was a 2235, and it had a 48-hour power reserve. Now it has a 55-hour reserve. It's 7 hours different. To me, that's really not much. I don't think most users who are watching this really care, but it does have a newer movement, and you can't really see it, so I gotta say it doesn't really matter. So what else is different? Well, what else is special about this watch? This one has champagne, also known as yellow or gold, and it matches, if you notice, it matches all the rest of it. It gives a very good continuity throughout the entire watch, and it's a diamond, and Rolex only uses the top quality diamonds. So that's another reason, that's another plus for this watch. It also has a Jubilee bracelet. Now Jubilee bracelet is also one of Rolex's most iconic looking bracelets. In fact, this example of the watch would be probably the most iconic. I mean, it's got the fluted bezel, it's got diamonds in the hour marker, it's got Jubilee. I mean, it's pretty much the whole shebang. It's a Jubilee 5-piece link, and it's yellow, gold, and steel. Again, Rolex calls it yellow Rollosaur, but you can just call it two-tone or yellow, gold, and steel. Now the clasp, that part that I'm about to close for you right here, is called a concealed folding crown clasp. You simply close it like that, and the bracelet is like seamlessly as one. The only drawback I could see to that is there's no micro adjust. You actually have to take out a link or add a link. So you can't, if it gets hot or cold, well, too bad. You know, your watch is only sized to one size. Although I don't really think that's that big of a deal because I have not had anyone complain about that. Okay. All right. Anyhow, so I just wanted to tell you that this is available at jazztime.com, JAZTIME.com, and that's actually the reason why we're making these videos, so customers like you can choose the best watch for yourselves at the comfort of your own home. I hope that you would like this video and actually buy one. You could simply go to our website, look through, and we have a lot of other watches, and we offer the lowest price anywhere online. So check us out, and here I am. I'm going to try it on. I'm obviously a man, but this is what it would look like on a wrist. There you go. Thanks.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.